best-seller magnet phone holder, which is made of the high-quantity zinc-only material. And it with the adjust hinges and floatable function. You can adjust it for free. And the base is with 360-degree rotation. When you fully float it, you can see that it with the pocket size, very easy to carry. And this magnet phone holder with a strong magnet function, which is made of 11 pieces of N52 magnet. It can ensure it can protect your mobile phones very well. The total height for this phone holder is 155 millimeter, and the diameter of the magnet ring is 78.5 millimeter. The base is 50 millimeter. For this kind of item, it with the MunitySense application, you can sit on the car dashboard, the windshield, even for the water cup plant form. And it with the excellent retail package box. We have many clients select this type to sell in Amazon market. And interest about this type, please feel free to contact us for more information. If you want to place the small bunch orders, it's also very common. We can accept the OEM. You can print your logo on it.